How to stop Discord from opening on startup. Method 1. Stop Discord from opening on startup in App Settings. Open Discord, and click User Settings in the lower left corner of the window. In the left pane, scroll down, and click Windows Settings. In the Windows Settings panel, toggle off the slider next to Open Discord. Close the User Settings window. Method 2. Disable Discord Autostart in Windows Task Manager. Hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape keys to open Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, select the Startup section. In the Startup section, find an application named Update, which you can identify by the Discord icon. Right-click Update, and click Disable. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's duplicate file finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.